Welcome to La Finca Dulce Vida.
These are the highlights from a recent fundraiser at La Finca Dulce Vida in Ceiba, Puerto Rico. Stunning views at this private event, complete with silent auction.
Little guys.
And these little feathered friends are the guests' favorites, including our celebrity guest, Christian Pagan and DJ Yapper.
Look at that view. We're going to perform in a few minutes. Happy to be here. And this is my DJ Yapper. We're going to perform in a few minutes and having a blast, having this view and doing the performance. So thank you, Jen, for inviting us. Jen, I think we're ready. Let me hear you. Come on now. Baby.
Another highlight of this event is the amazing food, prepared by Chef Gabriel Diaz and Chef Amanda Torres. Take a look. This gorgeous venue features 12 casitas for overnight guests. Let's go take a peek. As the event is wrapping up, it's just in time to witness this cotton candy sunset. And soon we'll hear the coqui frogs. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos from JenThereDoneThat in Puerto Rico and beyond.